Hey guys, it's me Friday. I'm back with another video, and today I'm talking about KID. I'm pretty sure it stands for Kid ID. That's why it says kid. But yeah, the first thing I would like to talk about is that it's being added to Gorilla Tag. And there's a video made by Jaw Clamps explaining what it is. Because Jaw Clamps missed out some things, such as it sometimes might need your credit card data, and put a list like in the corner of some of the things that they need. But you may be thinking, oh, that Jaw Clamps probably made a mistake and he would probably want to cover it again. Well, that video was also uploaded on the Gorilla Tag channel. Gorilla Tag purposely didn't tell us what this KID thing is. Also, no hate to Jaw Clamps. Like, he probably has nothing to do with the Gorilla Tag. However, there's probably a dark twist. You may be thinking, for Gorilla Tag to trust KID, it has to be an experience thing. Well, not really. This is the first actual game that it's testing on. Also, we aren't testing about Discord because that's technically not really a game. And it's likely that KID might be stealing your personal data. But you might be thinking, why can't I just input my age as something else? Well, you see, KID, if they have suspicion of you being under or over the age that you put, well, if you're over there, probably nothing will happen. But if they suspect you to be under, they will take away your voice chat permissions. And they might even take away your access to virtual stump. And they might even not allow you to go into Publix. Like, it's crazy. Like, how? Why did Gorilla Tag add this? So, to basically put the KID situation in short, you basically KID needs your phone, needs something such as but the only thing I can remember is your credit card information. And also, KID might be a scam because there's only been one other thing tested with KID, and that is Discord. And so yeah, that's the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stop the flipping, and yeah, try and spread a hashtag which is stop KID.